guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix SILONN Countertop ice maker not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there are a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. Now, one of them is to defrost the ice maker. So start by turning it off and unplugging it. Let it sit long enough to warm up fully. Sometimes ice can build up in the machine and block the flow, so a full defrost can help clear out any ice in the lines. After it's fully defrost, give it a quick clean to prevent future issues. Now, next that you want to do here is you want to check the water supply. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do is we need to double check that where's the water reaching the ice maker. So make sure the water line and the reservoir have enough water for the machine to actually use. And finally, the last thing you can do here is to do a hard reset. Now, unplug the machine, wait for 30 seconds to a minute, then plug it back in. After that, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to clear any glitches here. And in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.